everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious vegetable fried rice using fresh veggies. You guys, this is something you want to stay tuned for, okay? So I'm starting out using the meat stock from the turkey that I served with this meal. I added some water to the turkey stock, and yes, now I'm adding my seasonings to it. I'm going to be leaving the list of the condiments and seasonings that I added to this meat stock on the screen for you to see. I would like to properly welcome you guys. If today is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for clicking to watch my video. Please do not make it your last. Kindly hit the subscribe button that you see right down below there and join the family. And to all my amazing returning viewers and subscribers, I love you so much for always coming back. In order to avoid soggy rice, you want to make sure that you are not cooking your rice in too much liquid. So you just need the water to be, or the liquid to be, about 1.5 inches or 2 above the rice that you have put in it, okay? By doing so, you're making sure that you're not cooking your rice in too much liquid and hence avoiding ending up with soggy fried rice. Now that my rice is cooked, let us get frying. I'm starting out with heating up the pan, adding the vegetable oil to it, and then adding my dry condiments. You guys, adding your curry and thyme and bay leaf to your hot oil first gives this extra fragrance. You guys, there's just something about frying them while dry. I guess in that state they tend to release more flavor and aroma. Try this, you guys. If you're not already doing this, you just want to give it a try, okay? Now I'm just going to stir fry my peppers and my onions and every other thing except my frozen vegetables. Meanwhile, I'd like to have you know that my frozen vegetables are already prepped. How do I prep them? I just basically added the frozen vegetables into a sieve and allowed to defrost before I even begin my cooking. So while I'm doing all of this, it's all gently defrosting. It should defrost up to about 70 to 80%, then it's fine. And once I add these vegetables to the sieve to defrost, what I do also is to season the vegetables so that the vegetables can also be tasty when eventually added to the fried rice. So what I do is I season with some salt and cooking cubes. The quantity of cooking cubes that you use would depend on the quantity of vegetables you're using. In this case, I seasoned my frozen veggies with just 1 cooking cube. Now that I've stir fried my rice and incorporated all of the peppers and every other thing into it, the vegetables are now going to go in as the very last ingredient, or maybe not. I added my spring onions after this. After adding the frozen vegetables, I'm going to turn off the stove and allow the heat, as I've mentioned, to cook the vegetables, the residual heat to cook the vegetables. And that, my dearies, is how you prevent your frozen vegetables from going soggy on you when you use them to make your fried rice. So that's it, guys. This is my delicious vegetable fried rice recipe using frozen vegetables. I paired it with some coleslaw and some delicious turkey on the side. You guys, it was yum, absolutely yum. You guys, there's nothing extra about this recipe, but it was absolutely delicious. You surely want to try this very simple fried rice recipe. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you on my next one. Bye. Hi guys, check out these amazing videos that I've handpicked specially for you.